talking about animal care, I basically feel that animals are the only human being who can understand us more than a person, or who can listen to our talks, our sadness and everything. They should be treated like humans. Most of the people, they are like, अरे ये तो एनिमल है, छोड़ो फेंक दो, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, कोई कोई कुछ ध्यान नहीं देता इतना. And they are the most cutest creatures of God. And talking about dogs, my basically favorite animals, they are the person who understand us and form the, they are dogs, they are treated to be loyal to us. They are the animals who are the most loyal to us. They are treated to be, they are trained to be good, so they help people, the people with disability. They are gifted with dogs, so they can spend their time happily. So concluding that you should not treat animals as some waste of your life or something. Treat them as a part of your society. Give them affection and love that you normally give to a person.